Hello everyone, here we are going to repot some typical fused tooth, red dragon, alien, B52, and more. I've had this one for a few years. All of my first Venus flytraps were typical, and then I began buying cultivars. I think my first cultivar I purchased was red dragon. And of course I have a video unboxing that one too, so you can check that one out. That's the original pot. Also, you gotta make sure the soil's pretty wet. So you're gonna water it and then you're gonna have to water it again if you don't add soil that's too wet. It really sucks it up. So this one here is fused tooth. It doesn't look too fusy until about a few months. I have a video unboxing it in the early spring, and I also have another video showing how it looks in the late summer. So this is how they look about this time of year, in case you're wondering why they look so sad. It's a pretty good sized pot, so I'm able to repot it and place it in the same size pot. If anything, I can just divide and repot and split them up into different pots. But for now, I'm just going to place it in the same pot. I bought some bigger sized pots that maybe I'll add them in for sure next year. But for now, I think it'll be pretty well on this one. Akai Ryu Red Dragon. Typical. This one here is red mouth, and I also had a video of it catching a spider. You can check it out, it's one of my older videos. So this one here is B52. Alien. And that's all I'm going to do for now. So in a few days I'm going to repot some more. Here's what I used.
A little bit of
Sphagnum moss, peat moss, perlite. This one here is red piranha, which is really tiny by the way. And it's officially spring, so these plants are going to be coming out of their dormancy. And when they come out of dormancy, that's a perfect time to repot them. Once summer comes, they're going to look really nice. This one here is Maroon Monster. And here we got Cup Trap. Here we got FTS Flaming lips. This one is UK Sawtooth 2. And then here we got long red fingers. So this one here is Kim Jong-il. Last time I said Kim Jong II, but it's Kim Jong-il, which is a really lovely cultivar, by the way. Thank you so much for watching my colorless carnivorous plants. Have a great day. Bye. And these here I recently purchased, so I don't have to repot these. Cross teeth, red top, and I also got dentata.